Hi everyone. So in previous lesson we uploaded our logo to our blogger website, and the logo was kind of big. It was bigger than the layout of the website. So the best solution to do that is to come to this designing dashboard where you actually design the logo on Canva here and reduce the image. So it was previously like this. Okay, so I'll just reduce it right now. So reduce the logo size a little bit, and make sure it's okay and nice and clean as well. So after that, you just download the logo. So after downloading the logo right now, you go to the same website called remove.pg and upload the logo. So after uploading the logo, you should have something like this. Then after uploading the reduced logo, is okay, you have something like this. Then you click on download. Now after downloading it, you come back to your blogger's backend and click on edit. Then remove the previous logo and choose file so that we can upload the new logo that is gonna fit our website. So I've uploaded it. This is the logo, the new one that actually fits that will actually fit the layout on the theme. So click on save and click on view blog. So it's gonna show us the blog right now with the new logo we uploaded. So voila, this is the logo. As you can see, it's fitted and fantastic, super fantastic. Look at it, guys. It's fitted and this is the way we want it to be. This is the way it's supposed to be. So guys, this is how to do it, and I'm sure you gained something from this video. So in the next lesson, I'll show you how to customize some other parts of this theme, and I'll also leave the documentation in this course, the documentation of this theme, so that you could go through the documentation. I'll leave the link to the documentation, so you go through the documentation and see how you can do further customization. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to do some customization so that I can move on and show you the best method to use to create your site on this blogger website. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.